Hi all, hope you all are doing good. I'm Shweta back with new information. So today my topic is from the project management and this is related to problem solving and critical thinking. So in business problem solving, there are three categories of context. You should understand that what exactly happens which really impact the whole project. So there are different kind of issues which arises in. So the first thing is macro environment, that is the factor outside of the company and that will going to affect how the company is able to operate. Second is the micro environment. So that is a factor inside the company that affect the particular issues we are addressing. That is related to the issue which can be arised while the project is going on or at the start of the project or any situations which arises inside while the project is going on. The third is your own biases, your own preconceptions about the issues and the settings in which it arises. So let's take it as a simple example at a time when the macro environment consists of economic conditions, political, social conditions, law, regulations, technology changes, demographic shifts in the market and shifts in the competitive environment. So in this case, the company business have their own rules and regulations, how the things would go forward and what are the steps things will be created and is there any kind of issues created because of these reasons. So that is a micro environment. While but in doing a context assessment, we want to account of each those factors. Either it's a micro environment or either it's a macro environment. So to see whether they might have an impact on the issues you're working on, the macro environment is something which is totally depend from the business perspective. But when we talk about the micro environment, that consists of first and foremost the decisions maker. So while doing this, we should do some our research where we should know who is this person, what does he or she values, how is he or she measured by the organizations, what are the recent key events within the company, such as examples of a change in the leadership, change in any key organization policies, or the introductions of new organization systems, or a process that might have an impact on the issues you're working on. So, what's the financial condition of the organizations in your unit that is getting impacted because of this conflict? And so, you can see what are the current strategic priorities of the organizations, and by doing this, what will be the changes. Lastly, in the microenvironments, you have to recognize who are the key stakeholders or the actors with respect to these issues. How interesting are they in the issues and what do you know about they already believe or prefer? So lastly, we have to take account of you as a problem solver as a role of project manager because the problem solvers is always part of the problem context. So you want to ask yourself the following questions. What do you believe you already know about the situation that is you're facing right now? And how do you know about it? Is there any kind of things that you are missing while discussing with the team or where you think that you should definitely work on and you should go ahead to find out more details? So if you're working on anything, are you having your own assumptions about the situations and what exactly the assumptions which has been built on the basis of informations available? What beliefs do you have about the decision maker or any other key stakeholder? And lastly, and informations may contradict any of these beliefs and assumptions. These are aspects of our context assessment which we will work on. So I will going to create another video where we're going to discuss about the problem solving analysis, how to work on it. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Have a good day.